This is Google AI Studio. Welcome to a community where we learn everything together. Nobody is teaching you anything on this channel, but trust me, you're going to learn a lot because we are working together. Everyone watching right now could probably be a learner or someone that just want to watch to know what the channel is about. The channel is for every learner. You can come together here just like you have people that say all new YouTubers gather here. So all AI learners gather here, gather here and learn. So let's go ahead. We're going to start with Google AI Studio. I am not teaching you, you're not teaching me. We are exploring together. So kindly bring out your laptop and follow through with what we are doing. So Google AI Studio, this is the interface we can see. There are a lot of new things that have been upgraded. If you're seeing this for the first time, this learning AI starting from Google AI Studio is one of the best places to start learning AI because you have text to speech, video generation, speech and music. We have written, we have image generation, we have code and chat, we have feature, we have build, we have dashboard, we have. So we are not scared of this page, all right? So we're going to explore, and thank God we have so we have Cloudy AI, we have Cloudy AI, we have Grok, we have Gemini, we have some other AI tools that are going to help us learn anything that we are learning. So we can actually go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT what we want to do. So let's go to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT. Let's say I want to learn. We are learners that came together to learn AI, to learn how to use AI tools. All right, we want to start with Google AI Studio. So teach us step by step. Teach us step by step, like we have never seen or used Google AI Studio before. Tell us what to click, what to type, step by step. Teach us slowly. No rush. No rush. Explain like you are talking to a 10-year-old. You're talking to someone who has no single idea. Also, give us a prompt that we can use to generate a PDF manual to work with. Ensure that the prompt states will be able to generate the training manual based on the present interface of Google AI Studio, because from observation it has been updated. So to begin learning Google AI Studio, you saw how I explained very well. I explained very well so that ChatGPT will be able to generate what we want it to generate. So let's go ahead. To begin learning Google AI Studio from zero, the best approach is to treat it like learning how to use a smartphone for the first time. So first understand what it is, then learn where things are, then practice one button at a time, then begin creating useful things. So let's go ahead. What Google AI Studio is, very simple explanation. Google AI Studio is a website made by Google where people can talk to AI, test prompts, build AI tools, generate text, right? So we can analyze images, we can upload files, we can create chatbots, and we can connect AI to website applications. So think of it like a laboratory where people experiment with AI. You do not need coding experience to start learning it. Okay, so first of all, we've established that we don't need coding experience to start learning it. So Google AI Studio is a website made by Google where people talk to AI, test prompts, and do a lot of things until we really start to use it to build something we can see and that is tangible. We may not really appreciate this that we are doing, but if you are someone who is new to AI, pay attention. Let's work together. You can ask questions in the comment section, and if you're someone that has gone far ahead of us as we are learning this, you can suggest, make comments of things that you think will help the learning faster. The goal here is learn Google AI Studio from novice to expert. So before opening Google AI Studio, things needed: prepare this list, a Gmail account. All right, so I already have my Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account presently, you can as well create one. But I believe that before you are able to watch this video, you should have already had a Gmail account, then laptop or desktop computer. Okay, so you're not going to use phone for this. Okay, Chrome browser, internet connection, notebook for writing observations. So as we go ahead, we're going to observe some things, and as we observe those things, we're going to note them down. I have my notes and my pen here. So if you're watching this video, you also should have your biro and your paper. Step 1, open Google AI Studio. What to do: open Chrome browser. We're already in Chrome browser. Click start menu, search Chrome, open Chrome. All right, so start menu, search Chrome, open Chrome. That's for those that are not on Chrome right now. Maybe you're using another browser, you can just click here. If you don't have Chrome, download Chrome. So you search, you say Chrome. This is search, and search for Chrome and click on Chrome. If you click on Chrome, but I'm already there, so I don't need to click on Chrome. You know that we told ChatGPT to explain to us like we have never ever seen Google AI Studio before. That's why it's taking us through this process of start, search Chrome and stuff like that. So type this website in the address bar at the top. So we're going to type this. We'll just copy and paste. This is the official website, aistudio.google.com. And remember, every day we are spending just 30 minutes. So when we are done with the 30 minutes of today, we'll continue tomorrow. So presently we are already done with 15 minutes. So we are done with 15 minutes. You may hear some sounds at the background or something, but make sure that that doesn't distract you, okay? But we'll just go ahead with the class. So I've opened it, or opened this. It already gave us where we can just click and open, then press enter. We pressed enter already, and here is what we saw. Okay, so let's go ahead. Step 2. Sign in. What you will see. You may see sign in or get started. Click sign in. Use your Gmail account. I already signed in. Or should I maybe log out? So that we can all learn together. So this is it. This is signed out. So I'm gonna go to Google AI Studio. Gonna sign out. Okay, so let me go like this, So let's start again. Click on Google AI Studio. Exactly, so this is the home page of Google AI Studio. So this is where it says go to, this is Google AI Studio, pricing, documentation, case studies, build with Google AI Studio, get started. ChatGPT said, what you will see, you may see sign in or get started. Okay, you may see sign in or get started. So click sign in. Now we did not see sign in, what we saw was get started. So we're going to click on get started. So click on get started. Then I'm going to sign in with my email. You do the same thing, sign in with your email. So ChatGPT says you should sign in. I'm sure every one of us has signed in already. So the next thing we're going to go is first screen explanation. After signing in, do not rush. Look around slowly. You will usually see areas. The left side, you see navigation menu. Main large area, you see where prompts are written. Model section, you see where AI model is selected. And so based on information, you should know that ChatGPT sometimes is behind, Claude AI is behind. I mean, I think Grok is a little bit updated when it comes to things like this. So when they tell you to do things like this, we are to really look if we can see this. If we cannot see it, we'll forget about ChatGPT at this time, because has already told us what Google AI can do. So we'll go back now to Google AI Studio and start navigating by ourselves. Wherever we encounter any challenge, we can come back and ask ChatGPT questions. So for now, we're going to leave ChatGPT alone. But before then, let's just check if what it's saying is correct. Left sidebar, navigation menu. Is there anything like that? Okay, this is the navigation menu, right? Then main large area where prompts are written. So this is where prompts are written. This is where prompts are written. Describe an app, let Gemini do the rest. This is where prompts are written. Then we have model selection, where AI model is selected. Model selection, where AI model is selected. So where is it? We are going to select which AI. Should it be this one? I guess these are the model selection. So what we're going to do to ChatGPT is we're going to screenshot this now and ask ChatGPT which one is the model selection. Okay, so this is how you learn with ChatGPT. it says that model selection, where AI model is selected. So we're going to say where in this screenshot, where is the AI model selected? So we're going to screenshot this. So we're going to screenshot this and show it to ChatGPT to tell us where AI model is selected. So let's go to ChatGPT and upload the image we just screenshotted. So paste that thing. Oh, sorry, because I've already uploaded the image. So go back. Where are we? Step 2, right? Step 2. Let me increase this thing. I think it's a bit too. Okay, so here is step 2. Step 2, signing. So we signed it. Step 3, first screen explanation. Okay, this is where we are. It says that model selection, right? So model selection, we now said we screenshotted it, so I want to ask it in the image above, where AI model is selected to. Where is AI model selected? Let's wait for it to respond. So in this current interface, in your screenshot, the AI model selector is not visible yet because you are on the build to app page of Google AI Studio. So to see and select AI models, do this step by step. Look at the left side, click playground. Then after clicking playground, a chat workspace page will open near the top area of the screen, usually above the prompt box. First of all, so that we don't confuse ourselves, okay, let's do what it says. Let's go to playground and screenshot and send to it again. So let's go to playground. Now this is playground. I'll screenshot this and get it. Sorry, so come here and say explore start feature, test out our new models, chat bubble, image generation, video generation, etc. So we're going to ask it now that are these the models? What you are seeing, explore Google models, category or use case. Okay, category or use case. Then inside these categories are real models. Maybe we should first of all understand what models are. Explain what models are. So remember this exercise we are doing. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, subscribe if this is interesting to you. And this exercise we are doing is going to be daily and 30 minutes a day. We are learning how to use Google AI Studio, and today we have been able to learn the interface, how it looks like. We have learned how to sign in, using our Google accounts, and presently we are dealing with models. So we're told by ChatGPT, and you've already learned also how to go to ChatGPT to learn with ChatGPT, all right? So don't mind the so, okay? Maybe I'm going to stop doing that. Just let's go ahead. So what AI models are very simple explanation. An AI model is the brain of the AI system. It is the part that reads what you type, thinks about it, and gives a response. It's a simple real life example. Imagine this. You enter a restaurant, the waiter asks, what would you like? You reply, fried rice and chicken. The waiter takes your request to the kitchen. Oh, then the kitchen processes the request and prepares the food. In AI, real life AI version, you're talking to the waiter, you're typing prompts. Are you getting it now? I'm getting it seriously because I'm learning as well. We are all learning together. So in real life, you're talking to a waiter. AI version, you are typing a prompt. So typing a prompt is like talking to the waiter. Then kitchen, AI model. That's what we are going to use to do what we want to do. Food prepare, the AI response. Okay, so AI model is the kitchen brain doing the work behind the scene. Then another simple example is fast teacher answers quickly. Deep teacher explains better. And creative teacher gives. Okay, so in Google AI Studio we have what we select. Gemini 2.5 Flash, you are using a fast brain. When you select this, you are using a more powerful AI brain. What models do? AI models can answer questions, explain topics, summarize documents, generate codes, write content, analyze email. Okay, so so these are not the model. Now these are not the model. These are not the model. Now test out our most advanced newest model. These are the model. Glory. So we can say that if we end the class here, rather, is it class? It's not a class, like we are learning together, right? If we end the exercise, the 30 minutes exercise here today, it means that we have learned something. But let's confirm from ChatGPT if these are the models. So let me copy this and paste and ask it that are these the models. Yes, now you're looking at the actual AI models inside Google AI Studio. These are real Gemini AI models. Okay, so very important understanding. You see, so we have reached the free limit for chats with attachment. Okay, so we cannot use chat with attachment again. Like I said, don't go don't go and upgrade or anything. We're going to learn everything, master everything. You can decide what AI tool you want to pay for. What you first saw earlier is code and chat, image generation, video generation. No, okay, what we saw first were categories and tools. Okay, so even in these categories and tools, you're going to have AI models. So actual AI models, the models you are seeing, which is this, the model is very fast, cheaper, lightweight, good for simple tasks, best for quick response and everything. Simple analogy. This is so we don't need this explanation right now. We have known what model is, so we can stop there. We've known what model is, and we can go back Anytime I want to go back, we'll just click on this to go back to where we were. So based on this is category, we have closed we've closed the exercise for today because this is 30 minutes already. This 30 minutes already, but I just want to explore one or two, so you can still stay with me a bit. Now, video generation, I just want to see this. So these are the AI models for the video generation. For video generation, we have Veo 3.1 paid, Veo 3.1 fast paid, Veo 3.1 Lite. It's a new one. This one is a new model. And so we now know what model is. We have categories of things that AI, we have categories of things that we use AI to do. So these are new featured models. So for image generation, let's see the models that we have. So I'm sure we are getting better now. We are getting better in Google AI Studio, right? We already know that these are categories of things that you can do with Google AI Studio, and inside Google AI Studio, and inside those categories and things that we can do, we have models that we use in doing them. So image generation, we have Nano Banana 2 as a model. We have Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana. And this is not written paid, so doesn't mean that it's free. Our state-of-the-art image generation and editing model, I'm sure this should be free. All right, so I'm very excited at AI, at this channel, Learning AI, and I'm very excited at what we're doing here. So all of us are learning, and tomorrow, or in our next video, we'll continue from here. In our next video, remember 30 minutes every day, 30 minutes every day of something important, and ChatGPT is our coach in this training. So thank you for watching. If you're yet to subscribe and you love what you just saw, subscribe to this channel and don't miss out of tomorrow's class. ChatGPT, your tutor, is waiting for you. Thank you.